Hello, this is part 13, tracer rounds. In this video I'm going to show how to make tracer rounds. I'm going to be using a particle that came in the military weapon dark assets. I'm going to use P shotgun tracer 01 particle. And in the blueprint, I create this blueprint to fire the tracer round. Double click player character. This is the blueprint that was added for the tracer rounds. I added a new pin. It's labeled 4 here that will go to the tracer rounds. This determines how often the tracer round will fire. With this setup, random integer from 1 to 6, and if it's greater than or equal to 5, that will go off about every 1/3 of the time. This is muzzle flash here and here. This is P underscore shotgun underscore tracer underscore 01. When you're done, compile and save. I'll press play to test.